Akhi Ayman, you need to add a few words from London to London, inshallah, because you're the guy who speaks the language of the city.
Jazakallah khair, Shaykh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Muhammad. For our dear respected brothers that are here, work on your connection with your parents. You don't know how long they have left. And at the same time, this is something that me, Sheikh Adnan, was talking to a 17-year-old in a restaurant not too long ago, just a few hours ago. And the man said, I don't know what my purpose is in life. I don't know where I want to go. I don't know what I want to be. And at the very same time, I told him, what is your connection with Salah? He said, it's not there. I told him, you have to take your Salah as serious as taking every breath. Without Salah, you're a dead man walking. You're a dead heart. You're just a mechanism and a body full of organs that functions for the sake of Allah on the inside, but you function in displeasing Allah on the outside. So at the end of the day, work on your connection with Salah. And one of the reasons why this person is miserable because he has no connections to his parents. Not because his parents don't want to have that connection, but it's he himself, and it's a lack of ilm, it's a lack of being content, and it's lack of being confident that Islam is your religion and Allah is your Lord, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is your vision in life. And this is what I would say to the brothers: just do that. Hayakallah, Shaykh.